Yeah, that's really dirty, dude.
I'll go do that while we're here. I guess the bulb is bad every time. It'll probably need to be replaced every so often.
Okay.
Sweet. Look at that.
And that slides, yep.
Nice.
Let me see what it looks like under there. It's dusty.
Now what?
I guess there it is. Just take it out, I think.
What holds it in?
I don't know. Try and pull it up. It's.
I can't see.
Ooh, dude, it's extremely hot.
Yeah, I know.
It's extremely hot.
Push.
Dude, be careful, dude. It's very, very hot.
It's probably part of the reason why it freaking went bad.
Yeah. And that filter being clogged too.
Yeah.
Hold on, let me read the instructions. Hold on. Okay.
I went out of my way to try to find a
Wow.
Epson bulb. I thought that's what I ordered, and then it came in a box.
Wait, let me see what it looks like in there.
Then it came in a box said made in China.
Well, I mean, Epson gets them from somewhere.
Apparently they get them from China.
Everything comes from China.
There we go.
Did it catch?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Good as new.
Well, we got to turn it on first. It might not be good as new. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Oh, you need that filter.
Probably should clean that off a little bit more often, huh?
Yeah, I think so. Wow, I can't believe how hot this thing is. Wow. That is crazy. It's like a projector bulb. Huh, duh, it's a projector. Oh, that's big. Oh, that's a lot bigger than I thought. That's the whole assembly.
Yeah. Is there a screwdriver in there? Which screwdriver do you need?
I don't know. It just said use the screwdriver that comes with it.
Which cover am I taking? This cover right here?
Yeah, this big panel. It's like a little...
Phillips head?
Phillips or flat will work. Yeah, don't you got a bunch of tools down there?
Yeah, there might be something up here, maybe.
Here, maybe this will help me.
You got a little toolkit?
This is my
Oh, dude, look at that.
So weird.
Chris, you need one of those.
Thank you.
Look at that. It's got batteries,
I know.
glue.
Yeah, they're probably the no good batteries.
I came unprepared this time.
Man.
There we go. That needed to be taken care of too.
How come that light up there is blinking?
Maybe from opening shut.
Who knows? I might need to stick some glue up in there with the screw holes.
How come that light's blinking back there?
Which one?
That blue thing. That blue.
That's for the bugs.
Oh.
Dude, I don't
Does that
understand what
open
this
up
is
like
doing. Why is this showing us like this?
Oh yeah, that's really yuck. At least the filter works
there
good.
it goes, finally.
Was that the Fire Stick's problem? I don't think that's the projector's problem.
It was weird how long it took.
Oh, the Fire Stick is plugged into the projector.
Yeah.
Oh. How do you lift this projector up off? Is it screwed down?
Yeah. But why do you want to do that?
Because I get the model number. There it is.
I'm going to have to reset everything.
Yeah, hold on.